What's up, guys? Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. I got a special unboxing look for you guys today for all my Supreme fans. We have another collaboration between Supreme and the Jordan brand, and we bring to you the Supreme Jordan 14 in the white black and the black royal. So let's get straight to these shoes. All right, so here we have the box top. So this one's slightly different from the other Supreme Jordan collaborations. It has the Jumpman right there on the top, and of course the Supreme box logo right there. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. And here we have the Supreme white Air Jordan 14. So of course we know the Air Jordan 14 was originally designed by my man, the myth, the legend, Tinker Hatfield. So shout out to Tinker. But this is a Supreme spin on that. So we have the full leather toe area with the Jumpman right there. We have the hang tag, which has the Jumpman overlay and the Supreme underlay, which you'll see right there. The white lacing that comes on the shoe, full white laces. We have the tongue area, which features a mesh hit right here, along with the Supreme, which you guys can see right here. Get to the outer panel, you'll see the metallic beading there, with the black hits just in the midsole, outsole area. So you'll see the black detailing right there and the chrome hit right there. So this shoe originally designed by Tinker Hatfield, as I just mentioned. The design inspiration comes from the Ferrari 550M. I believe that's correct, Ferrari 550M. So you'll see the Ferrari detailing throughout the entire shoe. And once again, with the Supreme and the Jumpman logo that you'll see right there. Kind of looks exactly like it would look on a Ferrari. We'll get to the back tab. Back tab features the Jumpman logo once again, the Supreme, and of course MJ's Fame 23. And the Jordan 14 is also the shot, the famous last shot, which really wasn't the last shot because he played for the Wizards after that, but yeah, last shot, Jordan 14. So metallic beading, once again on the inner panel, and the black detailing there. Get to the outsole. White outsole pretty much all throughout with the red detailing right there in the toe area, and then the metallic detailing here along with the red Jumpman. And let's get to the insoles here. Toss that out. So you've got the Jumpman and the Supreme right there on the insole. And if we transition to the right foot, only difference between right and left foot is the extra additional set of laces. So this one comes with an additional black set of laces. And I'll give you guys one last look at the Air Jordan 14 white black Supreme, and we're gonna transition into the black and royal. So here we have the black and royal Supreme Air Jordan 14. So I actually really like the royal on this. It's kind of like a metallic royal almost, so it has a shine to it. So you'll see, well, once again, the hang tag. Let's get right to the hang tag. But on the outer panel, you'll see the blue detailing in the midsole area, so the blue hits all throughout, and the metallic hit, which is just like the white black pair that I just showed you. The fully black laces on these, and then we have the Supreme logo once again on the tongue area, and just behind the tongue that I didn't show you guys on the white and red is the 14 in Roman numerals, so XIV, 14 in Roman numerals. And this pair reminds me of, there's a classic MJ ad that he's on a runway, an airplane runway, and he has like the black and royal kind of fit. This definitely reminds me of that exact shoe. I don't know if that's where Supreme got the inspiration from, but to me it looks like that. We have the blue Jumpman right there in the toe area, along with the suede toe. So the white pair has the leather toe box and the suede nubuck toe box on the black and royal. Outer panel again, the metallic beading. We have the black and royal detailing right there. And then we have the Ferrari kind of inspired Supreme and Jumpman logo on the outer panel. Let's get to the metallic beading pretty much all over this entire shoe that you guys can see. We have the blue hit right above the Jumpman, the Supreme, and the 23 right there. And once again, this is the Jordan 14 is the last shot Jordan. So when he was playing for the Chicago Bulls in 1998 against the Utah Jazz, My man Byron Russell, yes, he did push off, but he still crossed you and made the shot and the game's over. But let's get to the outsole. Fully black outsole with the red detailing and the XIV, the 14 Roman numerals, and then the red Jumpman right there in the middle along with the silver detailing. And this also comes with an additional set of laces, the royal blue laces. But another cool detail about the laces is the lace tips feature the Supreme logo right there. So the lace tips, the metallic lace tips feature the Supreme logo. And I'll give you one last look at the black and royal Supreme Air Jordan 14. And we're gonna take a look at Supreme's first collaboration with the Jordan brand. So here we have all of the Supreme Jordan brand collaborations right here. So in 2015, we first saw the Supreme collaboration with Jordan brand with the Air Jordan 5. So we had the desert camo right here. We have the black and red. If y'all pay attention to the videos, nah, I do not say bread. So we got the black and red right here. And then we have the white and red. So with the detailing on these, if you guys don't know, Supreme was, of course, Supreme NYC was founded in 1994. So you'll see the 94 that's bared right on the outer panel of that shoe. And this actually is the year Stadium Goods first opened. So 2015, October is when Stadium Goods first opened, and 2015 is when we got the Supreme Jordan 5. And yes, this was the one just before Michael won his first championship with the Jordan 6, but that's just another fun fact. So we have all these Supreme Jordan brand styles. I showed you the white and black 14s, and these just recently released, and the black and royal, along with the desert camo, black and red, and also the white. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments. Which collaboration from Supreme and Jordan brand is your favorite? If I have to choose, because you know I always go one through whatever, which is my favorite. So I might go with, I'm definitely going with the desert camo, Jordan 5. I just thought this was really different with all the desert camo detailing. I am gonna go secondly with the white and red Jordan 5. I'm gonna go third, this is gonna be a shocker. I'm gonna go with the black and royal 14. I actually love the royal blue on this shoe. The royal blue pop on this is super fire to me. I'm gonna go number 4 with the black and red Air Jordan 5. And then lastly, but also really dope in regards to the detailing, the white Jordan 14 from Supreme. But we have all of these along with multiple other Supreme collaborations and any collaborations in regards to sneakers right here at Stadium Goods. And we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and now Instagram TV. Please make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Please, please, please make sure y'all download that app. Follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. That is at Stadium Goods. If you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything Stadium Goods, sneakers, Palace, Stadium Goods private label merchandise, please make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.